Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to another episode of Budget-Friendly Dinners. Are you tired of staring into your pantry, wondering what to make for dinner without having to spend a fortune? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm gonna show you how to whip up delicious dinners using what you already have. No need for extra trips to the store or breaking the bank. That's right, no extra trips to the store, no breaking the bank. Just simple, tasty meals made from pantry staples. First up, let's talk about pantry pasta. It's a classic for a reason. Grab that box of pasta that's been sitting there for a while. Any type will do. Spaghetti, penne, or even macaroni. Got a can of tomatoes? Perfect. Whether it's diced, crushed, or whole, it'll work just fine. Heat up some olive oil in a pan, toss in some garlic, and let that aroma fill your kitchen. It's the start of something delicious. Add the tomatoes, a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and let it simmer. You can even throw in some dried herbs if you have them. Mix in the pasta and voila, you've got a tasty, satisfying meal in minutes. It's simple, yet so comforting. Next, let's move on to rice and beans. Affordable and versatile. Got some canned beans? Great, any kind will do. Black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas. They all bring their own unique flavor and texture. Cook up some rice, mix in the beans, add a little cumin, chili powder, and a splash of lime juice. You can even add some corn or diced tomatoes if you have them. You've just made a hearty, protein-packed dish that'll keep you full and happy. It's perfect for meal prep too. How about a veggie stir-fry? Got some leftover veggies? This is a great way to use them up. Anything works. Carrots, bell peppers, broccoli, even those half-used bags of frozen veggies will do the trick. Heat up some oil in a wok or a large pan, throw in your veggies, add a splash of soy sauce, and stir-fry until they're tender, but still crisp. You can also add some ginger or garlic for extra flavor. Serve it over rice or noodles, and you've got yourself a colorful, nutritious dinner. It's quick, easy, and oh so good. Now let's not forget about breakfast for dinner. Who doesn't love it? It's a fun way to mix things up. Got some eggs, maybe a bit of cheese and some bread? You're all set. Whip up an omelet or a frittata. They're quick to make, and you can customize them with whatever you have on hand. Add in any leftover veggies or cold cuts you have. It's a great way to use up those odds and ends. Pair it with some toast, and you've turned your humble breakfast items into a delightful dinner. It's comfort food at its best. And what about a classic grilled cheese sandwich and tomato soup? It's a match made in heaven. Got some bread, cheese, and a can of tomato soup? You're in for a treat. Make your sandwich, grill it to golden perfection, and heat up that soup. It's simple, yet so satisfying. Dunk, eat, and enjoy the comforting flavors. It's like a warm hug in a bowl. There you have it, folks. Delicious dinners on a dime using what you already have in your pantry. No extra spending, no extra hassle. Just good, honest food that you can make with ease. No extra spending, no extra hassle. It's all about making the most of what you have. So the next time you think there's nothing to eat, think again. Your pantry is full of possibilities. Get creative, have fun, and enjoy every bite. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more budget-friendly cooking ideas. Happy cooking!